और अब आपको ले चलते हैं मुंबई।
So good morning everyone. So this is a very auspicious and a very sentimental moment for RRP family, because this for the first time in the history of RRP we will officially have a very strong assembly production facility with Meprolite in India, and this is going to be a production facility. So this is going to be the biggest thing. It's going to be larger than life for RRP. We have been actually working on this for a very long time, and finally we've come to a situation where we will now be officially recognized as RRP Meprolite. Thank you very much, Golan and Eugene, for having reposed confidence in us. Now we have a very active arm with us. We had my former colleague, Mr. Prashant Deshmukh, has now been roped in as the managing director. He was out for his personal issues at US, so he's back. Now he will be also leading this show. Welcome Prashant to this family. Our excellent group headed by Apurva, Shikhar, Rizwana and all the other teams. Thank you very much for being here. A special word on this I think is that RRP is going to get into a very big domain which was not expected, to be very honest. We always wanted to be a nice company.
Now I request Mr. Gautama to please come and say a few words.
Good morning to all of you. It's a great pleasure today for me to be here with RRP S4E and Meprolite from Israel. Meprolite is a world-leading manufacturer of weapon sights. A small but a very powerful entity as far as I know in the defense circles. I'm a little jealous and envious because during my tenure in Bharat Electronics we tried to have engagement with Meprolite, but we couldn't do it. Probably the day is today, so that's why we couldn't do it in Bell. I met Mr. Raj a couple of years back, and I saw the passion in him in doing something for the country. And friends, this year you might have seen that India had the highest ever production in defense. The needs in defense are increasing. I will not just say defense is Army, Navy, Air Force and paramilitary. Even for the civilian defense, the police forces, they need to be modernized. There's no point in innovating same thing which probably our friends have done it in Israel. So nothing wrong in collaborating with them, taking their technology, customizing it for the local needs. They might have done it for some specific need. We can look into it and customize it for the specific needs. So a great opportunity lies in front of all the youngsters in RRP in learning the good practices from Meprolite, in understanding the requirements of specific requirements of our country, and then bringing up great products in future. The requirement of electro-optics in India today is, in my opinion, about 10 times more than the capacity installed in the country.
Now I request VP of Meprolite, Mr. Golan Kalami, to please come and say a few words for this partnership.
Good morning. First of all, I'm very excited to be here, and thank you very much, Mr. Raj and your team. We are honored and happy to be here, to cooperate with RRP company and to be part of Make in India project, to promote business and employment for the two countries, India and Israel together. And this by advanced Meprolite product in combination with advanced production capabilities of the RRP company. Within this month, a delegation of engineers will come to Meprolite to Israel to have a training of the transfer of technology. We are sure that this is just a beginning, accompanied by hard work for promising future. Good luck for all of us. Thank you very much.
So now I would like to call Lieutenant General Mr. Satindra Kumar Saini sir to please come and say a few words for us.
Mr. Rajender and the delegation from Israel and other dignitaries, I think it's a great day when we are having a joint venture and transfer of technology from a leading firm of Israel to RRP. And I'm sure that this is going to lead to greater cooperation between the two companies, and we will have world-class equipment which we can provide not only to the defense services of India but to other nations as well. I am particularly interested in the sites because I will tell you, when I was a colonel and commanding my unit on the line of control, so we had just 4 handheld thermal imagers, and they were from Israel. And there was no interface between that surveillance, target detection, and the man who's going to engage the terrorists who used to come across the line of control.
Now I would like to call Mr. Eugene, senior official from SK Group, to come and please say a few words for us.
Thank you very much for inviting us for this very important event, and thank you for organizing this event. The activity between our countries is very important for our group and also for Israel, since our prime ministers decided that our countries are friends. We have to execute it. So we became friends by the transfer of technology, by establishing international relationship between companies. So thank you very much for choosing us.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to signing the MOU. And to do the honor, I would like to call key representative from both the organization to join us at the signing table, Mr. Rajendra Sodinkar, Chairman, and Mr. Prashant Deshmukh, MD of RRP S4E Innovation Limited. Let's have a round of applause for both our dignitaries. Along with that, I would like to call on the stage VP of Meprolite, Mr. Golan Kalami, and Eugene, senior official from SK Group of Meprolite, to please come and do the honor for us. Along with that, I would like to call the Chief of Force 1 Maharashtra, the one and only Shri Krishna Prakash sir, to please come and do the honor for us. I request all our dignitaries to please come forward for the signing of MOU. Let's have a round of applause, everyone, for all our dignitaries. So please come.
तो इस कार्यक्रम की तस्वीरें मुंबई से, जहां पर आरआरपी S4E और इजराइल की अग्रणी इलेक्ट्रो ऑप्टिक्स कंपनी मेप्रोलाइट के साथ एक महत्वपूर्ण समझौता ज्ञापन पर हस्ताक्षर किया जा रहा है। तो दोनों ही कंपनीज के ऑफिशियल्स की तरफ से इस MOU पर हस्ताक्षर किया जाएगा और ये तस्वीरें कार्यक्रम की आपकी टीवी स्क्रीन पर RRP S4E और इजराइल की इलेक्ट्रो ऑप्टिक्स कंपनी मेप्रोलाइट के ऑफिशियल्स वहां पर मौजूद हैं इस MOU पर हस्ताक्षर करने के लिए। और इससे पहले हमने दोनों ही कंपनीज के ऑफिशियल्स की तरफ से इस समझौते को लेकर तमाम बातें भी सुनी और MOU साइनिंग इवेंट की ये तस्वीरें आपकी टीवी स्क्रीन पर मुंबई से सीधे आप देख रहे हैं। RRP S4E और इजराइल की कंपनी इलेक्ट्रो ऑप्टिक्स कंपनी मेप्रोलाइट के ऑफिशियल्स की तरफ से। और देखिए MOU साइन किया गया दोनों ही कंपनीज की तरफ से। तो RRP S4E और इजराइल की अग्रणी इलेक्ट्रो ऑप्टिक्स कंपनी मेप्रोलाइट के बीच ये महत्वपूर्ण समझौता, ये MOU साइन किया जा रहा है। तस्वीरें आप देख सकते हैं। भारत और इजराइल की ये कंपनी, और ऐसे में उच्च स्तरीय इक्विपमेंट्स का भी जिक्र किया गया। तो भारत की कंपनी RRP S4E और इजराइल की अग्रणी इलेक्ट्रो ऑप्टिक्स कंपनी मैप्रोलाइट के बीच ये महत्वपूर्ण MOU पर हस्ताक्षर किए जा रहे हैं। दोनों ही कंपनी के ऑफिशियल्स वहां पर मौजूद हैं। ये तस्वीरें मुंबई में आयोजित हो रहे कार्यक्रम की, आपकी टीवी स्क्रीन पर MOU साइनिंग इवेंट की ये तस्वीर। और ऐसे में दोनों ही कंपनी के ऑफिशियल्स की तरफ से इस MOU पर हस्ताक्षर किया जा रहा है। तो मुंबई से ये तस्वीरें आपकी टीवी स्क्रीन पर RRP S4E कंपनी और इजराइल की इलेक्ट्रो ऑप्टिक्स कंपनी मैप्रोलाइट के बीच ये MOU साइनिंग इवेंट, दोनों ही कंपनियों के बीच इस MOU पर हस्ताक्षर किया गया। ये तस्वीरें तो भारत और इजराइल की ये कंपनी, जहां MOU साइनिंग इवेंट में इस समझौते पर हस्ताक्षर किया गया और दोनों ही कंपनी के ऑफिशियल्स हाथ मिलाते हुए।
Now I request Mr. Rajendra sir to please do one honor for us. Please do the felicitation of our dignitaries, our honorable guest Shri Krishna Prakash, IPS Chief of Force 1 Maharashtra, to please felicitate them. So it's a small memento for him. Can we have a round of applause, everyone? Thank you so much, sir. And now I request Mr. Rajendra sir to please do the honor and felicitate Mr. Gautama sir. Sir, please come. Token of love, token of appreciation. Now I request Lieutenant General Mr. Satindra Kumar Saini sir to please come and take this honor. Ex-Vice Chief, Indian Army. Let's have a round of applause for Mr. Saini. Thank you so much, sir, for your contribution towards our country. We all are proud of you. Thank you. So now, ladies and gentlemen, press is open. Any questions from the media team to please come and ask.